Hi. Now we're going to answer one of the questions coming from one student who said that how are the normal and shear stresses calculated on a plane with non-direction cosines? There is no example of this method being used in the lecture. Actually, the solution or how to approach this problem is given in the video stress and strain part 3. Check it out and you can find the full derivation on how this can be solved, because in this video we're mainly talking about how to deal with stresses on an inclined plane. But kind of to give you the hints here, the original exercise says that we have to determine these normal and shear stresses on a plane with these direction cosines and with these principal stresses sigma 1, sigma 2, and sigma 3. And the solution procedure, when you have all this graph or this graph here with the plane, the normal to the plane, which is oriented according to these direction cosines, is kind of as follows. You have to map each one of these principal stresses from their original orientation into the orientation kind of governed by this plane here, or by using the normal cosines, the direction cosines. So and that's basically you have to map each one of these principal stresses into the plane orientation using the direction cosines. The second activity that you have to do here is that once you have mapped each one of these vectors, you can then sum them, together, because now you are working in the plane that you have kind of and the orientation of the plane. So you sum each one of these transformed vectors, and finally these two other steps is that you have to find the projection of the new vector give on to the normal direction of the plane. So that's going to give you the normal stress that is being asked here. After you have found the projection here by using a dot scalar multiplication, then you can make use of the Pythagorean theorem to calculate the shear stress, because let's remember that the resultant stress, the normal stress, and the shear stress form a right angle, which means that we can use the Pythagorean theorem to calculate the remaining kind of stress asked, which is the shear stress. All this procedure is given in this video, so please check it out, and you're going to see that you will find the tools here. However, I'm laying down here for you what are the steps to solve this problem. Thanks. I hope that you get the idea of this. Please let me know if there is any other doubt. Thank you.